Hey everyone, today we're looking at one of the most recent Google updates that has occurred regarding them retiring their legacy push notifications. What that means basically is that they have updated their push notification services, and we need now to address that in our apps. What we've done in our back office is if you go in, log into your app builder and go into the create app section where you have the design, build, and publish. Go to the publish section, you will see this was the original JSON file. We've added a new file that's required here. This is a service JSON file, and I'm going to show you how to get that now. So you need to log in. So the first JSON file is over here in your Firebase account. That's pretty well, we've had that for years, so don't worry about that. That stays the same. We've now got another step that we need to add when we're building the apps. This is for push notifications. That's in your Google Cloud Console. So just basically search your Google Cloud Console. You should, everyone that has a Firebase account should have this as well. Come down over here, you'll select a project. So I'm going to start with, I'm going to do this with an app called Positive Warrior. I'm going to click on that. Now you see that's stated up there. Then I click on I am an admin. I click on that. All right, so once you get to this screen, you need to come over to the left-hand side here and look for service accounts. I click on that. Okay, and then you'll see over here, and then you click on this link over here, and then the next step would be to click on keys. And once you've done that, you will see this this button over here. Click on create a new key. And you need the JSON key here, create that, and that's it. Once that is done, okay, it'll automatically download into your download folder. Come back over to our platform and then upload it over here. Okay, hit update, and that's it. Once that's done, your push notifications will start working again. If they're not working now, well, they likely won't be working. You do not need to republish the app. You do not need to resubmit the app. That's all you need to do is go to your Google Cloud Console, take the steps that I've just outlined in this video, download that JSON file, and then upload that here in the second field here. The first one is for your original JSON file. This is for the JSON service file. Okay, upload that, hit the update button, and boom, you're done. That's it. No need to resubmit, no need to republish. So that's a great thing because that takes time and energy. So we've addressed it. Everything's been addressed now. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. Thanks.